Good evening, my dear friends. This is your Krishnamurti J from JK Vedanta Shastro. Today's topic is Bhrigunandinadi Profession Series Doctor. In this video, I am giving lot of information and karakattvas of planets and karakattvas of Rashis. Because if one wants to become successful astrologer, one wants to understand the horoscope and tell the results, one must master karakattvas. That is very, very important thing. Unless you know karakattvas, it is not possible for predicting a horoscope. That is why lot of people are complaining, sir, even after 10 years of studying astrology, I am not able to predict. Because your mind is not your knowledge, you are stored, but base is not there. It is superfluous knowledge. Why I had taken this profession series? Because lot of people asked, why don't you do a profession series using Bhrigunandinadi? That is why I am doing this today. Here, I want to connect planets and Rashis. Because in Bhrigunandinadi, just like planets, Rashi is also very, very important. For example, if Mars is in Aries, will give certain result. Mars is in some other Rashi, for example, Cancer, it will give some other result. Because Mars there, Aries, so you have to combine Aries karakattvas and then Mars, own house karakattvas. Here, in Cancer, we have to connect Cancer karakattvas, watery sign, emotions, plus debilitated Mars. So these all very finer points in Bhrigunandinadi. These points you have to accept, analyze, bear in your mind. The same way, further planets also. Jupiter will give a result. One result in Sagittarius. Some other result in Pisces. Some other result in Cancer. Some other result in Libra. The same Jupiter, say, sir, Bhrigunandinadi, only planets. No. Even R.J. Rao book, if you go through that, he clearly connects the Rashi also. Rashi is very important. Just like when you are at home, you will behave in some other way. If you are in somebody's house, you will behave in some other way. If you are in a friend's house, you will behave in some other way. In someone's house where you feel that you are a very important person, there you will act differently. The same logic applies to the planets also. See, for example, here I am giving some general points. See, for example, what we are giving is connected to the profession series. Okay, don't get confused with other things. Sir, you told me like this, now it is coming like this. No, it is not like that. Whatever the combination, whatever the information I am giving you now, it's relevant to only profession. See, for example, if Saturn is connected with Jupiter, you will earn good income and get honor. I'm sorry, I am not well. That's why I am sneezing and other thing. Bear with me. But Saturn and Jupiter, see, okay, sir, my Saturn and Jupiter are connected, but I am not getting a good income and I am not getting a good honor in my profession. Immediately you see the Saturn Jupiter's position. Already I told you about that. Here, Saturn and Jupiter should not be deviated. See here, Saturn Jupiter connection will give a result, but quantum of result depends upon the placement of these two planets. The placement decides how much one will get. You will get full 100% or 50% or 40% or just pass mark. It depends upon the Saturn and Jupiter's position. That means these two planets should not be deviated. Even so, okay, even that in exalted condition it will give the 100% result. It should not be connected with Rahu and Ketu. That is very, very important, because Rahu and Ketu, they are destiny breakers. Here, because we are talking about medical profession, this Ketu thing is an exception, because Ketu is connected to medical profession. So Ketu is connected, it's okay. Rahu is also will get an exception when that doctor is connected to diagnostic things. You would have seen when you go for diagnostic thing, the technician will take all those things. Then assessment will be made by one doctor assigned to the diagnostic unit. That doctor will sign in your report also. Then Rahu will give a good result for you. In other fields, if Ketu is posited trying to Saturn, it is not a good thing. It will give money in the beginning and slowly it will stop and give lot of tax. Ketu is very good for this medical profession alone. Ketu in certain places connected to Saturn is good, because Ketu we consider as a flag bearer. It depends upon, that is why some people in comments column, they will ask me, sir, my Ketu is here, my either Saturn is here, or my Venus is there, please tell me. Unless the whole chart is, see, if you want to give prediction, or if you want to give the good, correct result, then whole chart should be studied. Half of it, see, in the comment column, don't ask any personal consultation. Because in a comments column, it's very, see, if you got a genuine doubts, you ask. Not a personal, see, my horoscopes are what will my fate, what will be, when will be my marriage, and all those things in a comments column, no, please. So, Ketu, generally, Ketu is posited trying to Saturn. It will give money in the beginning, and slowly it will stop and give lot of debts. But I told you, Ketu in some places it's a flag bearer, so it's a give a good result and he will reach a top position. In between Saturn and Jupiter, some planets are there. It will add or reduce the good results according to the planet. And if the native does a profession connected to the planet, that it is not trouble. Already I explained about this when I talked about Rahu and Ketu. Retro planets will operate from two houses, posited house and preceding house. Example, if retro Saturn is in Libra, it will operate from Libra and Virgo. Same way, the Saturn is retro, you will change lot of jobs. And if Saturn is retro, sometimes, see, for example, the Saturn is in Libra, I told you, no? It will all operate from Libra and Virgo. See, when it is in Libra, it will connect to certain planets. When it comes to Virgo, it will connect to certain planets. Then that means lot of changes will be there. When it was in Libra, it will give some result. Then when it comes to Virgo, it will give some result. Those things also we have to observe. These retro planets are very difficult to judge their behavior. But if you closely observe, you will understand that also. Here, I told you already, I have given Karakattvas for Rashis and planets connected to, relevant to the medical profession only. So, if you see some planets or the profession indicating planets are in Aries, Taurus, Gemini, then see what are the Karakattvas I given, those kind of areas only they will operate. That medical even that doctor will have something I want expertise in this field, or he will be associated in that area of operation. That is why I can just give a chart and say these all planets are connected, that's why he is doctor, and go away. But in doctor also, nowadays, physician is there, cardiologist is there, neurologist is there, psychiatrist is there, and every part of the body, even the dental also, lot of dental surgeon is there, dental ordinary dental thing is there. The root canal doctor is something, dentist is somebody, and that beautifying thing, dentist is somebody. So, dental itself, nearly for 5 to 6 kind of professionals are there. Each one is attending only the particular area, not the other areas. The same way, if doctor means immediately we can conclude, you all know, lot of branches have come. So, accordingly, this if you see the Rashis and planets, it has got also lot of things, Karakattvas. Those Karakattvas, if you keep in your mind, automatically you can connect. Oh, he is a cardiologist. So why he is cardiologist? It is connected to this cancer. That is why. So he is a specialist in lungs and other things. So he is connected to cancer. And he is a surgeon. Then he must be it. This combination should have a connection with the Mars, because surgery comes there. That's how we have to connect the planets and Rashis. My dear friends, before going further, I request you all, please subscribe, because in a YouTube analysis I am seeing lot of views are there, but lot of people are not subscribing. Please, if you feel this video is good, please subscribe, because that is the motivation I am getting. That is the Guru Dakshana you are giving to me. Please share with your friends also. So let the knowledge be spread everywhere. Now we will come to subject. And another important point I am telling you, please make your comments. After seeing this video, go to your data bank. You must be having a lot of charts. Analyze this. Give your feedback, because I am also every day learning. I am not a master. So that every day I am learning. So I may learn something from you. So go to your charts and analyze it. What are the inputs I am giving? Whether those things are working or not. If you tell me, then I will understand. If it is not working, give the input, that input also, so that I can see. So whenever you give that kind of input, please give a full input, so that I can put a chart and see. Because with the 1 or 2 components, it is not possible to judge the entire chart. So here we will go. Aries. Aries means dentist, because Mars. See, Aries means immediately you should connect Aries than Mars. So dentists, surgeons, it rules head because Kalapurusha's first house is the head, brain, air, skin, limbs, red blood cells and teeth. Taurus, face, nose, right eye because the second house of Kalapurusha, face, nose, right eye, tongue, teeth, oral cavity, bones and flesh. Gemini, right ear, neck, shoulders, collarbones, windpipe, footpipe, thyroid and mental status. Cancer, heart, lungs, chest, diaphragm, blood flow and its water content, mind related. Here you have to mind. Mars means blood red corpuscles. Cancer means it is a blood flow because it's a water sign. It's a moon sign. So blood flow, that water content in the blood indicates the cancer. Leo, heart. Because here cancer also comes as heart and Leo also comes as a heart. Here upper and lower. In the heart, two divisions are there. That is, we have to bear it in your mind. Then upper abdomen, gallbladder, liver, pancreas, spleen, small intestine, drugs and chemicals. It's the fifth house of Kalapurusha. These are all the Karakatva. Virgo is a natural sixth house of Kalapurusha. So lower abdomen, large intestine, kidney, appendix, physiologist, psychiatrist, healers. Libra, urinary tract, prostate gland, uterus, ovaries, testes, semen, groin, good counselors and gynecologists. Gynecology also connected because Libra is connected to Venus. Then Scorpio, 8th house of Kalapurusha, mystic sign, external genital, rectum, seminal vessels, dentists, nurses, chemists, poison, embalming dead body. Because 8th of Kalapurusha, 8th is the death and also it is what I can say is also water sign, but not like Cancer. That is a pure water. Pisces is the sea water, and here dirty water. And 8th house is the what I can say is indicates death and other thing. Apart because it's a Ketu's co-lord is a Ketu for 8th house, Scorpio. And Sagittarius, hips, thighs, anterior system, female. Capricorn, kneecap, knee joint, hollow behind kneecap. Aquarius, left ear, legs, shanks. Hypnosis, neurologist, X-ray technician, dealers in medical instrument. Here, why this new hypnotism is coming? Hypnotism because Aquarius is a closed part, and apart from Rahu is also connected. Rahu is the co-lord of Aquarius apart from Saturn. Saturn is the lord and Rahu is a co-lord. So that is why X-ray is coming here. So if Aquarius and all this Rahu is also connected with the Saturn, then we can safely guess he must be doctor connected to the lab and other things, X-ray and cat eye scanning and all those modern equipments. And if he is there only, he will be very successful. Pisces, 12th house of Kalapurusha, left eye, feet, hospital, doctors, surgeons, nurses, sanitarium workers, anesthetists. So here it is also will be very useful. Somebody comes and asks, sir, my son wants to study MBBS and other thing, whether he can become a doctor. Then immediately after seeing the horoscope, you can tell, yeah, he is eligible to become a doctor. And sir, doctor means in what field he has to go. That also using this Karakattvas, immediately you can arrive, no sir, he is not good for a physician, he is not good for our cardiologist or gynecologist or something like that. He or she let him go or let her go for this diagnostic things. See, depends upon Aquarius and Rahu and other places. If it is a Mars and other things are good, well connected, then we can say, no, he can go as a surgeon. And surgeon also in what field? In neurology or what is this? Cardio and other general surgeon. All those things we can arrive from these Karakattvas. See here, this Aquarius, most Aquarius and Rahu are connected means pathologist will come. That is a very important thing, you have to note it. Here, I am giving the now Karakattvas of planets. My dear friends, unless you have to know many Karakattvas, then only you will be a successful astrologer, because then only you connect. See, you are giving all these inputs to your brain, then brain with using all these inputs, then only they will connect the planets to arrive the correct conclusion. Sun here, heart, eye, stomach, bones, epilepsy, skin disease, leukorrhea and leprosy. Leprosy, Rahu also plays a role here. Moon, epilepsy, hidden ulcers in the stomach. Heart, lungs, TB, acidity, shoulder problems, ailments related to blood circulation, anemia, cough and cold, menstrual disorder. For anemia, Mars also should be connected. I am just giving you. And menstrual disorder, menstrual again the Mars should be connected with the moon. Mars, Ketu or Saturn with the moon. Problems of breast and mammary glands and dysentery, typhoid, mental problems, sleep disorder. For example, breast cancer. The breast cancer means along with the moon that Rahu Ketu should also play a role. Mars, wounds, painful urination, coagulation of blood, bone marrow, high blood pressure, menstrual disorder, abortion, surgery, all these things. Again I am telling you, see here, painful urination, Mars, then painful urination, we have to connect that house, and then Mars, everything. Then Mercury, itching, skin disease, impotency, vertigo and ENT. Jupiter, jaundice, obesity, diabetic, ear disease, brain-related problems like loss of memory or dysfunction of body parts due to brain ailments like paralysis. Digestive system problems, female egg. Here it is very, very important. A lot of people will come, sir, see that my daughter is not, not getting conceived, what to do? Then we have to see what is the Jupiter position. If the Jupiter is in a good position, then we can say no problem with your daughter, sir. The female egg is good. Then they will be wondering, what is this? Is a doctor or astrologer? Then liver, knees. The liver also we can say, according to the Jupiter's placement and Jupiter's strength, we can say, or connect. Jupiter's strength means the Jupiter's connected planets. If it's a good, if Jupiter has got a good auspicious planet, then it will give a good result. If it is connected with the bad planets, that malefic planets, which are enemies to Jupiter, then it will give you a problem. Where it will give you a problem? The liver area. Then immediately you have to connect Jupiter and then Rashis. Then you will say, sir, your liver is in a problem, don't drink too much or something. Drinking again you have to connect with the second of Kalapurusha and Rahu and other things, moon and other things. Like that only we have to connect. Then spleen, gallbladder, pancreas, fat in the body. Pancreas again, lot of people are getting becoming a diabetic. So pancreas position also we will come to know. Venus, venereal diseases, weak eyesight, loss of body luster, cataract, nephrosis, sexual impotency, sexual incompetency, stone in kidney, urinary tract, leukoderma, eyesight, semen, urinary system, genital, reproductive system. See, I have already, Mars I said painful urination, then Mars, Venus. Here, urinary system is coming, genital is coming, and urinary tract is coming. The Mars, Venus, then the houses we have to connect. And then Rahu Ketu also connect. Or Saturn we can connect. Saturn, lameness, stomach pains, bone fracture or damage to limbs, rheumatic pains, paralysis, insanity, cancer, depression, hysteria, deafness, legs, sense of touch in skin, joint and limbs and hair. Rahu, lung trouble, because Rahu is the main karakattvas of breathing. Because Rahu is a Kala Purusha. Kala Purusha controls your Kala. So it controls, see, we are living means we are breathing. Breathing stops means we are not living. So Rahu controls the breathing. That is why when the Corona time, Rahu played a very, very important role, because lungs trouble. A lot of people got the lungs trouble. Lungs trouble, Rahu, moon plays a very big role in this thing, because moon is the Kala Purusha's fourth house lord, lungs there, and moon also lung. Rahu is the lungs trouble. Moon is coming as a lungs. So Rahu moon connection is the lungs trouble. So difficult in breathing, duodental pains, phobias, ulcers, boils, epilepsy, poisoning, hydrocele, hemorrhoid, fallopian tube, mouth. See here, fallopian tube is coming, Rahu. There, Jupiter, female leg is coming. So if we connect with those things, immediately we can find. Mouth, it controls breathing, feet, and lower abdomen. See, Ketu, painful ulcers, tumors, cancers also, painful fever, wind complaint, disease of stomach and eye, ulcers, stomach, smallpox, piles, surgery, infectious diseases, worm or ulcers in intestine. Ketu, I already told you, Ketu is very, very important in medical profession, and apart from that, Ketu is very strongly connected. We can say the doctor is connected to this kind of cancer and other things also. Here, now we have learnt a lot of things, Karakattvas of planets and other things. Those, keep it in your mind, those you apply. I am here. See, apart from that is whether the chart decides he is a doctor or not. That is one thing. Then when he okay, we arrived that he is going to become a doctor, because the planetary combination, that is the result. Then we have to analyze the quantum of result. How much successful, how much fame, how much money you will get it through this profession. I am a doctor, but I don't have patience. I am just sitting whole day in my clinic, or I am going to the hospital. Nobody comes and talks with me or comes and consult with me. Then what is the use? Then hospital say, please get out of here. So you won't be a successful doctor. To become a very successful and popular private practitioner, that I already told you, Saturn-Jupiter connection should be there. Saturn and Sun connection. Sun is also Karaka for health. Sun is very, very important. If you want to become a famous, Sun should be in a very good position. Then Sun, you know very well, Sun means is visible to everyone. Even the clouds comes and is a very temporary phenomenon. Sun is visible to everyone. Sun is the king. That's why we are told, we are telling Sun is the king, head of the family. All these things we give. So Sun is very much connected to government and other things. So Sun is very much connected to this professional planet, very strongly connected. That means you will be a very top position in the medical field. And Jupiter connection means Jupiter also gives a lot of famous success and money. The retro Saturn here, exalted Jupiter, Mars, Sun, Ketu, retro Mercury, plus Venus, plus Moon. These are all the planets connected to Saturn. See here, when the Saturn is retro, that is why he is acting from Libra and Virgo. So whenever he is in Libra, he is connecting Mars, Ketu and Sun. Whenever he comes to Virgo, he connects to Jupiter, Mars, Venus and Moon. Sorry, Mercury, Venus and Moon. So see here, say Saturn, you must be seeing, except Rahu, is connecting all the planets. So that's why, and also you see here, Venus is in a own house, Moon is in exalted house, Mercury is retro. Mercury retro, always they got a, what I can say is, Mercury means intelligent. Here Mercury retro means out of box thinking will be there. They will think what others won't think. They will think out of box thinking, that's called. See here, Saturn, already I told you, it connects to everyone. I will repeat again, Saturn from here, it connects to Mars, Ketu, Sun first. Then when Saturn comes to Virgo, then it connects to Jupiter and then retro Mercury, Venus and Moon. See, all the planets except Rahu, Saturn connects in this chart. So Saturn-Jupiter connection indicates profession involves honor. You get honor in his profession. Saturn in Libra Rashi indicates, see, Libra, it means counseling to others, counseling to the society. Here Saturn is in Libra, it's exalted. And Jupiter is also exalted. Venus is in own house, Moon exalted, and Sun is in a friendly house. Only Mars position is not good, but it's okay. When all these planets, slight blemish will be there. Virgo is the house of medicine and liquids. Already we had told you, it's the sixth sign of Kalapurusha. So as for the doctor, the Saturn should have a connection with the sixth sign, eighth sign, 12th sign. It's good. Because sixth is Roga. The doctor means it's connected to Roga. Eighth house means it's connected to diagnostic thing and continuous Roga, and 12th house is, all know, hospitals. Here, doctor, but not successful in profession. What happened? Here Saturn, Rahu in one house. That is a problem. So in his profession, it is a problem. He is actually studied in India. Even though he was born in US and other places, US, he came here and studied. Then he went back to US. According to US regulation, even though he studied MBBS here, he won't be recognized as a doctor there unless he finishes his MS. Some competitive exam will be there. They'll see whether your MBBS degree is adequate for the US regulations. Then they will ask you to appear the post-graduation thing. Then he has to finish that. Then only he will be eligible to practice. So he didn't clear that post-graduation thing and completed that entrance exam to appear for the MS. So even though he is MBBS, he is not successful in his profession because Rahu is there. When this horoscope came to me, I suggested he has to go out of his US birthplace. US is a birthplace. He has to go out of his birthplace and come to some other place where his MBBS degree is recognized. There he can practice. They are not listened. So even though he is in US, he is doing some odd jobs and other things. He is in a doctor profession. He is not successful. Even though Saturn has got the connection. That's why he become a doctor. Saturn connected to Ketu and Moon, and Jupiter connected to, because Saturn connects to Jupiter and Saturn having connection through Jupiter, it connects to Mercury and Sun also. And even otherwise also Saturn is having 11th aspect. So with all these things, he has not become a, even though he studied doctor, he is not practicing as a doctor and has not become a successful. Medium success. This doctor has got a medium success because retro Saturn plus Ketu, Mars, Moon, Sun, Venus. Here what happens is Saturn Mars in not a good combination. Saturn directly aspecting the Mars, because Saturn and Mars are not a good friends. But if he has opted for surgery, then that is a different story. And also you see the Saturn from the retro position, it's connect to Jupiter, but Jupiter is not in a very good position. Jupiter is not in a very good position. That is the problem. Jupiter is in Venus, so it's not Venus is the enemy to Jupiter, so it's not a good position for Jupiter. That's why even though Saturn comes to Scorpio and connects with Jupiter, it didn't give a what I can say is boost in his career, medical profession. He is a famous lady doctor and gynecologist. First of all, Saturn connects to Venus. That itself indicates something connected with the ladies, Venus, gyno. And two, it is in Kalapurusha's 8th house, private parts. So Saturn, Venus, Ketu, Moon plus Jupiter plus Mars. Saturn connects with the Venus first, then Ketu, then Moon. Moon direct connection is there. Saturn, Moon, because both are in watery signs. Then Jupiter, Mars and Mercury, all having connected to Saturn, Venus. And then Saturn is having a connection to Rahu and Sun. Because of this thing, because Sun is having connection to Ketu, then Saturn is also connected. See, here one question comes. Saturn connects with Rahu. Then that the last chart you told me that Saturn Rahu connection is not good. Here, see, I told you in the beginning of the thing itself, whatever the planets giving trouble to us, whenever we do that Karakatva, or we are aligning ourselves with that Karakatva, then we will become successful. This lady, gynecologist, so Saturn Mars combination didn't give a problem because she is taking a lot of deliveries and other things. That Mars is connected surgery and other things. And Saturn is in Scorpio 8th house private parts. Virgo is the sign of medicine and liquids and other things. Jupiter is connected and Saturn is also connection. Jupiter-Venus connection, gyno is coming. Saturn-Jupiter honor job. Saturn and Moon are in watery sign, travels many foreign countries. Here that Rahu comes the beautiful thing. Because she travels lot in foreign countries, Rahu didn't give any problem. Because Rahu means foreign. Here Moon is travel. So Saturn in watery sign, Moon is also in watery sign. Both are connected. So it didn't give any problem to her. Maybe it would have given problem to her father. Or if father is in foreign country, no problem. Let us not go to that. We are only talk about only profession connected. Here, see, we can go on. See, with this, we can go on because I can take a cardiologist thing, neurologist chart, cardiologist chart, and pathologist chart. So I can go on like that. And nowadays, every part of the body is specialized, and a doctor is there for that. Even for our dental thing, in even that very small area of our body, for that cosmetic dental surgeon is there, and because to keep our teeth properly, beautify our teeth, all this thing. Then root canal, to do root canal, separate dentist is there. To clean your teeth and other general matters, separate dentist is there. So many dentists are there. So we can, every chart we can go on explain like that. Then orthopedics, so many branches of medicines, a medical field, we can go on with the chart, we can go on. So now I just to give an example only, I've selected few charts and show you, because my aim is the doctor profession means what all the planets are connected, and in the two charts I have shown, who will become famous, who won't become famous, in any profession for that matter, not only in doctor profession. Those combination what I told you is in any profession. And here Saturn, Mars means dental. Saturn, Mars, Sun, Jupiter, Moon, Ketu are connected. Saturn, Jupiter brings honor. Mars means dental and surgeon. So with this, end this video. I request you again, please subscribe, share and comment. Today I am not well, so if any, because of that my voice or my output or my explanation is not good, please forgive me. Please subscribe, share and comment. With this, I end this video. Thank you very much for patiently hearing. I will see in my next video.